What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Cam Jam here. Today we're going out into the snow once again. I know, surprising. Okay, it's definitely not as deep as last time. Let's try this. Anyway. I think I just broke the thingy. Most of the cars are covered. That's okay. Yeah, like you can see, here's the salt. There's the snow plows. They're a bit late. Got in the snow. Let me direct my feet so you can see. Oh my god. Oh. Very ice. Very ice. No, this is mush. Nope, that's mush. Oh, my foot. Like you can see, it's not as much as there was last time. The real thing is, when I put this down, will it sink? Probably. No, the camera does not sink. Oh, now let's see. Ruler time. Ruler time. Let's see. One, 2, 3. Oh wow, I missed. I sucked. I sucked terribly. It's about 6 inches in the back. It's about 6 inches. Yeah. Let me try and jam it. There. Actually, that's about 7. No, that's actually about 6.5 inches. So we have about 6.5 inches here. Let's see. That's a big snowball that I just found. Big snowball. Oh, I almost fell on my behind. One, 2, 3. Snowball! Wow, that missed. Snowball! Let's see, can we knock over this? 1, 2, 3. Snowball! 1, 2, 3. Snowball! 1, 2, 3. Snowball. 1, 2, 3. Snowball. 1, 2, 3. Snowball. I'm so stupid. So yeah. You can probably hear the sound of melting in the background as people get out their trusty dandy diaper. Actually, that might be a diaper. Yeah, that's a diaper carrier. It's not a snowplow. Not a snowplow. Ugh. Snow shovel. Can't speak to that. But the snow is hard enough that you can feel it, like you can hold it in your hand. As you can see, you can it takes like a couple um minutes. Actually, I think it's still snowing. It just hit my camera. Is it starting up again? No, it's not starting up again. The funny thing was, we were under a blizzard warning, and we have this. Like, what? Like, we didn't get an ice storm, and we have this. See if I can get a piece that's there. See? This is like a whole piece of snow. Like, that has, I guess we have, an ice storm. No, we didn't even have an ice storm. It's all munched together. Yeah. And snowball. I just turn on the. Yeah. Lots of snow. I really should not be holding this with a bare hand, but we're not going to talk about that. Um, I forgot what I was going to say. Yeah, so I know probably up in Connecticut, there's probably more. Actually, I know there's more. I think. Did Connecticut get some? I think it did. I don't remember. I don't watch the news much anymore. Oh my god, I just brought up a whole corn of snow. Man, did I just say corn of snow? What the hell is a corn of snow? I meant a whole chunk of snow. Whoop, I just dropped it right on the camera. Nice. So, all the cars, like you can see over there, basically, the cars off the garage, locked. And if it doesn't have, internal. So, yeah. It's pretty. It's already starting to melt here. So, I bet by tomorrow, this will all be gone. Oh, guys. I have to recover my thing off. Oh, guys. Oh, God. Someone robbed someone's car. Oh. Hopefully this time we don't have any chairs being around. I'm gonna kill this car. Good. even hear that car. Well, it's going off because the snow is on top of it. Bro! If it goes off then, I'm literally going to shoot. Literally going to die. If it goes off then. Yeah, so it's up to the trees. Kind of. See how much I kick out. Last snow. This is the color of the tree bag. This one. Because the cars are covered. If I go to the other side of the street. Guys, that guy's that guy. That one. I know. That out. There's no way that's a big snow, right? There's no way. Just no way. It's a big snow rock. Yes, I don't think it's in our umbrella. No, you can. No, I'm not gonna attempt it. That car is smoking. But, yeah. Look, the side of it's already melted off. Look how big that snow rock is. Yeah. So mostly we have slush. Lots of slush. Actually, you can stand. Hi. Yeah, you definitely can. No, I would not tell you to do this at home or anywhere. You might die. So I'm actually gonna get off because that's where I was going to run Look at all that. Oh, anyway, guys, I'm going to rest you on the snow rock and talk to you a minute. So, I know it's winter right now, but in the summer, um, the we are planning on bringing the road trip back in GFS if you want to join. I don't know if Beam or Delta's gonna join because they kind of hate me, but And because I made a promise to Beam, I'm not going to go into our whole thingamabob with Beam. But yeah, hope you guys well. Whoa. Now this is going to be fun. Get my finger out. Yep, just goes right on through. My God, I'm doing the worst camera work right now. See? That's where I just jammed it through. And there's a family between the Dodge Durango. Hey guys, I think that's going to be the video. Because my hand is holding the camera is saying it freeze. So, yeah. Hope you guys are well.